Hello there, friend. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking in. Today we're going to be installing 2 kick plates. On your hardware schedule, these might show up as protection plates. Here we have 2 protection plates, Ives brand, 8400 10x34 B-CS. The 10 inches is the height, the 34 inches is the width. The B stands for a beveled edge, and the CS stands for countersunk screw holes. And so here you see me stripping the kick plates before I install them. Colder it is, the harder it is to strip those kick plates of that protective film. So it's a little cold today, a little bit harder to strip them. When it's warm, those things peel straight off. And I'm going to show you how I was taught to put these on. I had some really good teachers over the years. They told me, take that kick plate and you're going to sit down right in front of the door and hold it up on the door with your feet. So we'll check that out right here. Got some screws. So they said plop down, hold that kick plate up with your feet and get you an equal reveal on the left side, the right side, and the bottom. So once you have an equal reveal, put a couple screws in it, and here I'm going to check it, make sure that reveal still is equal, and then I'm going to screw it off. Now they always told me to do it in the open position, and that's the way I normally do it, but I've got a bunch of hardware already on these doors, and we have no sight work, so it's a little bit easier to put them on with the door closed. So as long as that reveal is equal, go ahead and just screw it off. And that's not much else to it, you know. I was trying to find me some instructions online for these, and I think seems like the manufacturers understand this is just a piece of sheet metal they're selling to you with a bunch of holes in it. So put it up on the door and put some screws in the holes, and that should be as much instructions as you need. So when you look in the prints, most prints, and they show any locations of door hardware, though, they'll show you equal reveals in the open position on all these kick plates. So it's a really safe way to go ahead and put them on. You know, that's what they're looking for. And that's about it. So what more can I say about kick plates? I guess if you've made it this far, me and you, we have the same sickness. We like door hardware, and yeah, I don't think there's a cure for that. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for your time. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, share it with a friend, and we'll catch you next time.